Distinguishing real from really. Ace your English adjectives and adverbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we are delving into a common language pitfall that even some native speakers sometimes trip over. We're going to discuss the difference between real and really, and when it's appropriate to use each one. This will not only boost your grammar but also make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, let's dive in. Firstly, we need to understand the difference between real and really. Real is an adjective, meaning it describes a noun. For example, this is a real diamond. Here, real describes the noun, diamond. On the other hand, really is an adverb, which means it modifies or gives more information about a verb, adjective, or other adverbs. For example, he is really tall. Here, really modifies the adjective, tall. Remember, real is an adjective, and really is an adverb. Now that we understand the basic differences, let's talk about some common errors. A common mistake is using real instead of really before adjectives and adverbs. For instance, it is incorrect to say, he is real tired. The correct usage would be, he is really tired. Using real in place of really is common in some regional dialects of English, especially in casual speech. However, it's not considered standard English and should be avoided in more formal contexts or academic writing. Remember, use really before adjectives and adverbs, not real. Let's get some practice in to solidify what we've learned. I'll give you some sentences, and you try to fill in the blank with either real or really. 1. She is a blank friend. 2. It is blank hot today. 3. That's a blank interesting book. 4. I had a blank good time at the party. Make sure you pause the video to give yourself some time to think. The answers are 1. Real. 2. Really. 3. Really. 4. Really. So there you have it. That's the basic distinction between real and really. Remember, real is an adjective that describes a noun, while really is an adverb that modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Avoid using real in place of really before adjectives and adverbs. It may take a bit of practice to get used to this, but with time, it will become second nature. Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll continue to improve your English skills. See you in the next video.